3, 4, 5. Up, straight up. Now place your left hand on your right ear and just press it towards your opposite side. Stretch your hand towards your opposite side. Hold it. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Other side. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Raise your right hand up. Stretch your body towards your left side. Stretch it. Very good. Hold it, hold it, hold it for 5 seconds. One arm only. Other arm should be downward. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Okay. 8, 9, 10. Up. Place your both the hand on your waist. Now take little bit gap between your both the legs. Waist rotation. Okay. Just rotate your waist clockwise. 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. Okay, now reverse anti-clockwise. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Very good. Okay, now get ready for knee movement. Okay, so take gap, little bit gap between your both the knees. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Up, very slowly up. Again, down. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Up again. One more time. Okay. Down. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Okay. Very slowly up. Very good. Now, everybody come in attention position. Get ready for Surya namaskar. You all know. Yes. Very good. Okay. And come back to namaskar mudra. Very good. Count 1. Count 2. Take long. Inhale again. Go back. Very good. Backward bending. Count 2. 3. Exhale it and down forward. Down forward. Touch your feet. Try to straight your knee. Don't bend it. Count 4. Place your both the hands on the mat. Left leg backward. Come in forward bending pose. Look forward everybody. Your back leg should be straight. Very good. At the back side.
Go. Side
Don't make noise. Do it properly. Count 6. Lie down on your mat. Lie down on your mat. Touch your chin on your mat. Lie down on your mat. Not cobra pose. Lie down on your mat. Very good. Count 7. Come in cobra pose. Raise your chin. At the back side, please maintain the silence. Silent everyone. Teachers, please look after that. Okay. Count 8. Make a mountain pose. Mountain pose. Very good. Look towards your feet. Very nice. Count slightly backward bend. And 12 back to namaskar mudra. Very good. Okay, hands down everybody. Okay, everybody attention. Attention. At the back side, stop talking. Stop talking among self. Okay, so now we are very slowly raise your both the hands by the side of your body. Both the hands should be above your head. Elbows should be straight. Count 3. Take a long inhale. Now count 4. Exhale and bend down forward. Slowly bend down forward. Touch your feet. If anyone can do, you can touch your head also on your knee. Your knee should be straight. Hold it for 10 seconds. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Very slowly. Come back. Raise your hands up. Relax. 1. Relax. 2. Hands down. Got it? We are going to practice this asana one more time. Touch your feet. Everybody down. Very good. Knees will be straight. Wait for 10 seconds. This asana gives very good stress on your back. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Relax. 1. Hands up. And 2. Hands down forward. Very good. Now, we are going to practice one more standing asana. The name of the asana is asana. This is very simple asana. First of all, everybody stand in attention position. Don't raise your hands now. Let me give the count. Okay, on count 1, very slowly raise your both the hands above your head. On count 2,
Smile.
so first of all,
Smile,
we
smile.
are going to practice Vakrasana, the spine twisting position. So count 2, rest your right hand at the back side. Very good. Count 3, twist your left hand over your right leg. Very nice. Hold your hand. Very good. The next side. Nice one. Holding for 10 seconds. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Relax 1. Relax your hands. Relax your spine. Relax 2. Straighten your right leg. And again come back to the last. Now same thing you have to do towards your left side. Means you have to do through your left leg. Okay? From Tadasana on count 1, hold your left leg. Hold your left leg. 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Relax 1. Straighten your hands. Relax 2. Straighten your legs. And do the last. Okay? So, let's practice one more time. Okay? Ready? From right 1. Then your right leg. Down 4. Twist your spine. Move back side through your right. Very good. Hold it for 10 seconds. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Relax.